In order to use MobileLink, your MiCloud Connect administrator will first need to define a programmable key for that purpose. Once defined, the idle screen of your 6970 phone will be labeled Connect. First, select the Settings key, enter your voicemail password, and press the Enter Soft key. Then select Bluetooth. You will be able to view paired devices and available devices in the environment which aren't in pairing mode. For this example, we'll select iPhone 6 iOS 9. You will see a pairing indicator and then a confirmation window with the pairing code. Select Yes, and you will receive a Connection Successful prompt. iPhone 6 will now appear in the Paired Devices tab. In this example, a cordless headset has also been paired. Now, the Connect label on your programmable key will be replaced with the iPhone icon. In the directory, you will now see mobile contacts in addition to enterprise contacts. Caller information for incoming calls to your mobile phone will now appear on your 6970 phone as well. You can choose to answer on either phone. If you answer from the 6970, caller information will appear on both the main screen and the programmable key. From the 6970 phone, you can transfer the call back to your mobile phone by selecting Push Call. Once the call has been pushed back to the mobile phone, Ongoing Call will appear on the programmable key. By selecting Ongoing Call, you can transfer the call back to your 6970 phone. Once a mobile phone has been paired to your 6970 phone, it can be unpaired by using the Forget Soft key in the Bluetooth menu. Once unpaired, mobile contacts will no longer appear in the 6970 directory.